Hello and welcome back to another video. We recently passed 200 subscribers, and I would like to start by saying thank you to everyone who has hit that red button. I really do appreciate it. You guys keep me motivated and making videos. This has been a bit of a journey. However, I can't make a whole video thanking you guys, so instead we're going to talk about some folding phones, and why I don't think people will buy them. Let's get started. Right before we start, I have a request for anyone watching this video. Leave a comment with a video idea you think I should consider. Your suggestions are super invaluable for inspiration and ideas for new videos. For now though, I would like to address the topic of folding phones. In the last few months, interest in these devices has been declining. And I think the main reason is that people are realizing they really don't want a folding phone at all. There was a lot of hype for these so-called next-gen devices, but that hype has died. I think one of the main reasons is something people really don't talk about, and that is portability. The current long and skinny smartphones fit easily in most pant pockets and aren't overly bulky. Conversely, folding phones are thick. For example, the Galaxy S20 is 7.9mm thick, but the Galaxy Fold is 15.5mm thick, almost double. Considering it is already sometimes a struggle to fit my current thin Galaxy S8 in my pocket, shoving a thicker folding phone in there isn't really an idea I'm particularly fond of. Enough of that though, an even bigger factor is the price. Phone buyers these days want cheaper options, as is evidenced by companies releasing cheaper devices, like the new Samsung A-series phones or the iPhone SE. But folding phones, those are anything but cheap. Just the fact that a phone costs upward of $2,000 means 95% of people have already stopped considering it. Even those who can afford a folding phone may not want to drop such an exuberant amount of money on such a device. Of course, durability is another huge concern with folding phones. Most new phones have some level of water resistance, especially flagships, and they're usually pretty scratch-proof and aren't put in danger by a little dust. Folding phones, not so much. Dirt can get under the screen, water can contaminate the inside, and the plastic displays can easily be scratched even by a fingernail. It's also harder to put a decent case on a folding phone because, well, it has to fold. Now, people are gonna say things like, oh, but you get a nice big screen and a small device, so good for watching movies or being productive. On that, I still disagree. If a folding phone starts as a rectangle, it unfolds into a square-like shape. That means a square screen, which isn't very good for consuming content or even completing other tasks. On the other hand, if the folding phone starts as a small square, like the Galaxy Z Flip, it just unfolds into a similar shape as a normal phone, in a similar size as well. Not really much of a productivity booster or a bigger screen. Of course, some people may still find a folding phone legitimately useful, but that is a very small section of the population. I don't think these products are going to become mainstream for quite a few years. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Once again, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed. If you'd like to join the club and catch some more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. For now though, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.